Okay. Okay, now go in. Okay, stop there. Now. I think he's got to go in a little bit more, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to go in just a little more. Watch out, Logan.
I'm good.
Come on in. He's out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay, hold right there.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Now, okay, Dennis, you ready? Oh, he's going to make the noise stop so he can hear us, okay? That's how you. That would be helpful. All right. Okay. Up. But watch John. Can you see John?
Yeah, I can see him.
Okay, well, watch John then.
Tilt forward a tad. Right. Up.
John, you're getting really close on this
Yeah, I
one.
know. We're going to need one more of those. Down. Just down, just as good. Keep going.
You come with it.
We never got the hoses loose. Come on off. Oop, that's good right there. Shut off. Take it down. Okay, Dennis. Oop, up a little. All right, now back up some. Back up. Oh, down just a tad. Come on back now. Keep coming.
Oh, he's caught. He's caught.
Up, up, up.
Okay.
Come on back. Keep coming. Come on back. Come on back. Oh. Shift this way. Alright. You're going to take the back end that way. That's enough. And don't split it too much or you'll dig into that. Come on back. I'm giving you the hand signal. Up a little.
Probably a 10, 16.
Back there. We gotta get the head off.
It might not hurt to take a peek in there.
That's what I'm thinking. I hate to
This
slow
one
us
looks
down, guys,
really
but-
good. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, see, those are the dippers
Yep.
right
Yeah,
there.
it splashes it around. That's why if you get it right to the right fill level, just blow these threads, there's enough for it to splash around.
It does not look bad. I mean,
Actually, I'm looking at, did you look in the bores, Mike?
yes.
Yeah, I don't,
I looked at the other end. We had the head off, and they all look clean. I mean, you can still see
Yeah.
machining marks there,
yeah.
but
It's like a
the
riot.
upper end, there was no scores at all.
Dennis, do you mind turning again a couple times? Just want to watch as the pistons travel in here. I don't see anything odd. Sorry. Or I can do it if it's pain in the ass.
I think we should get my jumper cables out and
Try it again?
Yes.
It looks
Certainly
good.
can with this.
You got it grounded?
Yep.
Oh boy. Oh, I see with the sequence.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, on. watch out, oil everywhere.
I wanted to make
Got him.
Thank you, Ed.
That's why we said put the head
I
on.
know, but I wanted to see it splash because if it's not splashed, it ain't working.
You're right.
It's splashing. Yeah.
He said it was working.
So that she dropped.
And you just want to see it throw oil, man.
Well, yes, I do want to see it throw oil. Because that's what we got on the ground. It's not right around here. The heads get dry or the cylinders get dry. One thing is doing that.
I just remember this
It
thing
was
smoking,
smoking.
and it sounded.
Terrible, yes.
Yeah.
It's a crazy thing.
What was the breather filthy? I mean, that's the other thing. The breather on the, I know one card RTY, the only problem was the breather was disgusting. I mean, you don't often clean it. I don't know if you want to clean it. I'm just saying the breather gets, oh, that was caked with crap.
That thing made such a squealing noise.
Yeah, we were here,
Yeah.
Logan. Remember we towed it
Yeah.
that day, and it was like ear piercing.
Yeah.
Because I got changed
Yeah.
and we towed it.
Just a skosh more. Give me a bolt. That's good enough to hold it. Now, how is yours lining up on your side?
He has to come back with.
That's what I was
it.
afraid of. He can't because of what we've got. We're gonna have to build this up so we can.
He has to come back like an inch and a half.
He can't right
Yeah.
now. I need to build up some space for him so he can ease this down just a bit.
Any more wood?
No, I ain't got enough. Dennis, I'm gonna need you to ease down a bit, not a lot, because we gotta get this one set loose so we can push it there, and then we're gonna have you pull back a bit. But so first thing is, I'll give you a little bit down. See if you can push that way. These 2 points. Not yet?
No, not yet.
Now you can. Can't you?
No.
A little bit more. Now you can, right?
Yes.
Push him a little bit more. All right, that's fine.
Right there.
Now you'll have to go in and tell me whether you need him to go up or down. You need a light?
No, I'm good. Up or down or forward or backwards?
Yeah, whatever you want.
He needs to go that way.
Back up a bit.